If Fotor is not responding on your Windows PC, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get the app working again without wasting time. We're going to start with the easiest solution first, then move into deeper fixes if the problem keeps happening. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software fixes just like this. First, let's force close Fotor completely. Press Ctrl, Shift, and ES at the same time to open Task Manager. Once it opens, look under the Processes tab and find any instance of Fotor. Click it once to highlight it, then choose End Task. This is important because if Fotor is frozen in the background, Windows may keep its files locked and prevent other repair steps from working properly. After ending the task, give it a few seconds, then try opening Fotor again. If it still does not respond, the next step is to repair or reset the app through Windows Settings. Press Windows and I to open Settings, then go to Apps and select Installed Apps. In the search bar, type Fotor so you can find it quickly in the list. Once you see it, click the three dots next to Fotor and choose Advanced Options. Scroll down until you reach the Reset section. Start by clicking Repair. This is the safest option because it attempts to fix damaged app files while keeping your data and preferences intact. If Fotor still freezes after that, go back to the same area and click Reset. Resetting clears corrupted workspace files and restores the app to its default state, which can solve stubborn launch and response issues. After that, try launching Fotor again and see if it opens normally. If the issue continues, another common cause is a VPN or proxy interfering with the app's connection to Fotor's cloud servers. Before opening Fotor, disconnect from any active VPN software and make sure no proxy is enabled on your system or network. Sometimes the app tries to verify your account or load online resources on startup, and if those requests are blocked, the window may appear stuck or not responding. Once your network is back to normal, relaunch the app and test it again. If none of those fixes work, the final step is to reinstall Fotor from a clean source. Go back to Windows Settings, open Apps, then Installed Apps, find Fotor, and click Uninstall. After it is removed, download a fresh copy from the Microsoft Store or the official Fotor installer and install it again. A clean reinstall can replace broken files and clear out deeper issues that repair or reset could not fix. Once the installation is complete, open Fotor one more time and check whether it responds properly. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the issue. So to recap, first force close Fotor in Task Manager, then repair or reset it in Windows Settings, disable any active VPNs or proxies, and if needed, reinstall the app cleanly. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.